Hi everyone. We had quite a snowstorm last night. They were saying we would get anywhere between about 1 foot and 3 feet of snow, and we ended up with about a good solid 2 feet on the ground and drifts that are a good 3 feet at least. These footprints here, as I was just plowing my way down my driveway, go up over my knees. Our snow was nearly all gone. I hear next week it's supposed to start warming up to about 10 degrees or so, and hopefully a lot of this will all melt off. Let's try to follow my tracks back up the driveway. Over 2 feet of snow on the porch, and like I was saying, it was pretty much cleaned off the other day. Sure is pretty, but honestly I'm getting tired of the snow. Got some of our seeds started already, and I just want the snow to go away so we can get into our greenhouses and start growing. Hey everyone, I had to go and switch cameras because my phone batteries died on me. Just to show you how much snow we've got here back by the barn. This is our outdoor rabbit run, which connects to the cages inside so our rabbits can come in and out as they want to. We had closed the sliding door up on that with the bad weather coming, and I'm glad we did. You can see how much snow we got. It's filled right up to the bottom of the cage and started to go inside. And that's at least 2 feet off the ground. Over here on this other side, our chicken area, you can see it's just piled with snow. And the little predator-proof run we keep them in when we're away or if we're busy or cleaning up this cage is filled up with snow too. And this was all pretty much empty yesterday morning before the snow started. In like a lamb, out like, or what's that saying? In like a lion, out like a lamb. Hopefully this is winter's last blast and we won't get any more. I am so ready for spring. Take care everyone.